My favorite part about the Master Digital Transformation Management and Leadership is definitely the international people that I can surround myself with.
What I like the most about this program is the hands-on experience. In fact, most of the courses evolve around group projects and real case studies.
The opportunity to go beyond classroom, visiting companies, and having hands-on experience in a real company.
We focus on a practical learning experience which will prepare you for your professional and future career.
I could learn many different new things in frontier technology, like blockchain, like AI, like fintech, like everything that I never have a chance to learn before.
We also had amazing opportunities of visiting headquarters and companies such as Bloomberg,
ABM, also Amazon. So it was really amazing to be there, in the headquarters.
It's super inspiring to learn from different backgrounds and learn about the technical side and the business side as well.